Hello Aquarius, this is your love reading for the month of October 2021. This is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest for others. And let's see what we have for Aquarius. Six of Swords, Justice, Page of Wands, Six of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, the Lovers. When the Lovers is appearing in your reading, in your love reading, it's a very positive cards. So I will ignore all this negative cards, Ten of Wands and all. Not a negative one, but yeah, definitely I will ignore all these cards. Justice and the Lovers, Page of Swords, Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is a very lovey-dovey energy for me, for Aquarius people. It's a very positive card. So Aquarius, here it's a very positive card which is appearing in your reading. So starting with your overall energy, maybe you was stuck or your person was stuck in some situation, but definitely some clarity is coming, some message is coming towards you with the Six of Swords. The sign here is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We have Libra strong here and Gemini, and also we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Page of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and we have also Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. So all the signs are present here, and it's a very positive reading for you Aquarius for the month of October. As look at this, with this Ace of Cups, the first thing came into my mind is it's a cup of love. Look at this, how it's very overflow cup here. So it's a cup of love for me, and Aces is all about new beginning, we all know that. So Ace of Cups is here telling me that some offer, some commitment, some love proposal is coming towards you. For we have received this two cards, action cards here from your person. You are burdened till now, this Ten of Swords, with this Ten of Wands. Till now you are very feeling very burdened about this relationship, or you are stuck in some situation. So that's why you are feeling this energy, Ten of Wands, or either it's your person energy. Okay. So but you both are spying each other. Page of Swords is a card of spying, and Page of Swords is also a card of talking about you. Pages is all about very immature energy. So the Page of Swords is maybe you both have a long distance relationship, because I am seeing distance here with the Six of Swords, and the Page of Wands and the Page of Swords, it's telling me all the situation which is going online. The Page of Swords is all about spying and searching each other on social media and watching each other on social media. So the Page of Wands is a first thing came into my mind is Page of Wands is all about messenger. Some messages coming towards you Aquarius that will give you this happiness, and both the you definitely, if you know about soulmate or twin flame connection, this is definitely something real. the lovers is a major arcana card, and it is appearing in your love reading. So yeah, definitely this love is mutual, and this is also a very spiritual relationship. So like twin flame and soulmate. Okay, so definitely some justice is going to happen. Justice is a card of karma, and also your person is thinking about you very deeply. Seven of pentacles is a card of, like, look at this, how this person is looking at this pentacles and thinking about something very deeply. Definitely maybe he is going to message you, and because he is spying on you, and they want equal give and take from you. Okay, this is mutual. Till now maybe he is burdened with their burdened by some finance, or burdened with their family finance, or some different, it could be anything. So yeah, but with this Six of Swords, definitely it is coming, some message is coming towards you. Maybe he is traveling towards you, or she is traveling towards you to meet you, because Six of Swords is all about traveling, moving on from one direction to another. So yeah, definitely messages. Yeah, we have here 2 6 here present here, the Six of Swords and Six of Pentacles. So yeah, 6 is the number of balance, and 6 is also ruled by, 6 is the number of balance, and it's a card of Libra also here present. So present here, so it's ruled by Venus. So Venus is all about love and beauty, abundance. So number 6 is maybe significant for you, and yeah, definitely here something is coming towards you with this all action cards we have received here. So yeah, except this card, all the cards are very positive for you, Aquarius, and definitely something is coming towards you. So now I will pull one card as an outcome or guidance for this relationship. Hanged Man. Maybe currently you are hanged in some situation, like look at this Ten of Wands and the Hanged Man. This is something which is like you are feeling burdened by something or someone, and currently you are stuck in some situation. Again we receive this 6, like 6 is very significant in your relationship, or 6 is the number, or maybe it's your life path number or something like that. So this is a stuck card, and this is a moving forward card. So very clear message I am receiving here for Aquarius people, and very clear and positive reading, just very straightforward reading, that whatever is stuck in your situation, it will definitely leads to this Six of Swords. Yeah, something is moving, definitely something is moving towards you, and it's a very good one. The Lovers, it's a very clear message for me, and you also. My angels and my spirit guide, please give me one card as an outcome for the love situation of Aquarius people for the month of October 2021. Yeah. Knight of Pentacles. Wow, Three of Pentacles. It's a great card, you know. Um, Maybe you are dealing with Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. It's a card of Earth sign. They definitely want some collaboration with you, and it's a very stable one. Like, Knight of Pentacles is a very slow moving energy, like slow and steady wins the race type situation. Like, he's definitely, he was stuck or she was stuck in a situation, but now he's moving towards you with the Six of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. Maybe he's reaching out to you or message you or call you. Something definitely something is happening here. It is slow, but it's a stable one for you, Aquarius. Like, yeah, nothing harsh or something I am seeing here except this Ten of Wands. Like, yeah, Knight of Pentacles is all about slow moving energy, and Knight of Pentacles is a kind of it is taking a baby steps towards you, like one by one he's thinking and deeply thinking about that. And maybe you are thinking that this person is stuck, so maybe this is your energy, but this is not a stuck energy. He's moving but slowly towards you, and they definitely wants collaboration with you. Wow, it's a, look at this Knight of Swords. This Knight of Swords, Six of Swords, this all are very, you know, it's all our actions card. In tarot, we will read this as actions card. Whatever is stuck in your situation, it will definitely going to start new beginning, and it's a slow but yeah stable one. Ten of Pentacles is all about happy family, abundance, love, a blissful and a very good environment. Ten of Pentacles is overall like it's a type of sun card, like everything is going to be okay in your relationship. And Ten of Pentacles is also a marriage card and a commitment card, so definitely it's a very stable one for you, Aquarius. Knight of Pentacles, he's coming with an offer or she's coming with an offer towards you. And we have Knight of Swords. Okay, so yeah, some collaboration here and some marriage, commitment, engagement involved here, and definitely it will happen for you. Yeah, the Lovers is appearing here. So yeah, this is your reading, Aquarius. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. So yeah, this is your reading. Thank you so much.